Welcome to the world of Incastt. For everyone in the investment casting foundry looking for a solution to craft the highest quality of casting, you have come to the right place. We specialize in developing cutting-edge technology and machines tailored to your requirements. Our machines and processes are energy efficient and cost effective. Let me introduce you to our highly skilled team who create innovative and efficient technologies to ensure your satisfaction.
We conceive ideas into functional designs. We focus on creating practical solutions specific to customer requests, ensuring that our machine perform and easy to use. Our designs are intelligently crafted to guarantee maximum productivity, minimum space utilization, energy efficiency, sustainability, and are cost effective.
We oversee the creation of cutting-edge technologies through rigorous research that pushes the boundaries of innovation. My team and I are dedicated to staying ahead of the curve, constantly exploring new ideas and refining existing ones, ensuring that our products remain at the forefront of innovation.
I take lead in procurement of materials for our production. Collaborating with our suppliers, I negotiate for favorable terms, good quality, and secure materials that precisely fit for our standards. I closely work with all our teams to refine every aspect of our operations, ensuring that they are aligned with our customer demands. Continuously interacting with our customers, I make sure that their needs are reflected in our services. Ultimately, I ensure that our products reach you safely.
My primary role is to steer the production team to transform designs into operational machines. I ensure that the fabrication, electrical, software teams and our vendors work in unison to produce complex machines in scheduled time. We conduct thorough testing and quality checks before securely packaging the products to guarantee quality and meet customer satisfaction.
I prioritize providing exceptional post-sale support and maintenance services to our clients. Leading a team of service technicians, I ensure swift resolution of service issues, regular maintenance, and ongoing enhancement of our service portfolio to elevate client satisfaction.
I oversee financial matters which ensure fiscal health. We can ensure where we are spending more, where we are spending less, and where we are spending at actuals. I lead my team in maintaining transparency and accountability in all financial matters of the company.
Through our marketing expertise, we assist you in identifying perfect machine, technology, and solution. When you collaborate with us, we take pride in our expansion into markets of United States, South America, and Europe.
At Incastt, we prioritize nurturing our most valuable asset, our incredible team members. Our focus is on building a team, training and development programs that attract top talent and foster a culture of innovation and collaboration. We take pride in handling employee relations and performance management and always striving to cultivate a positive and fulfilling work environment where everyone thrives.
When I entered the investment casting industry in 1986, there were very few foundries in India. All the machines were either imported or self-made. In both cases, the machine did not support indigenous technology. That is when I decided to make quality machines to support indigenous technology. To address sustainability, we ensure that 99% of all the components that we use for the manufacture of our machines are locally sourced. To take care of our environment, our design team makes sure that all our products and machines are extremely energy efficient. Incastt continues to invest in technology and invention to help foundries become more profitable and economical.